The invisible car.
And 10 days later, they are still reading the manual and trying to decipher it. All right, day three. Now we're gonna put all the new parts on the new engine.
Maybe some of the old parts.
And some old parts, yeah, there are some. I forgot about that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna rebuy all the sensors that we can't delete. So,
yeah. Budget, man. Gotta stay in budget.
So.
Yep. And then we'll record as we go. We might do a little bit technical here and there, you know, because we're learning as we go. I don't know where it went. I have a binder full of instructions because this is all new to us. I've never installed dry sump or the radium hanger or fire suppression system. So yes, we're learning as we go. If I make mistakes on the way, that's okay.
Yeah, it's all fun.
We're gonna do fuel lines and fuel rails. Let me get this out. So we got, IAG fuel lines here, and we got these gorgeous red IAG fuel rails. Look how beautiful. So we're gonna figure out the routing for all the lines and stuff, and then put the fuel rails in, and then probably dismantle this a little bit more, and then figure out what else we need to do. So yeah. So here is IAG fuel rail, and they come with different spacers. They have small and large. In their instructions, I believe the smalls are for like the OEM TGVs, and I think up to, don't quote me on this, like 1,000 cc's. And then the larger ones are for the 1050, 1300s, and 1700s. So these go in here, and then put the bolts in there. They have this O-ring in here that kind of holds a bolt in there for you. Then they specifically say in the instructions, you put this bolt in until it resists you. And they say to mark it with a permanent marker so you can count 3 full rotations. And then that is where it should stop. There it is, like that. Now I'm gonna install the injectors, the fuel rails here. Just kinda, you wanna make sure you pre-lube these. Put that in. And I have the injector dynamic 1050 cc's, and this is just the first stage. Later on, I will upgrade to 1700 cc's. And these just kind of sit in there. Now you want to make sure there's no space between the adapter, or the spacers, I mean, and the delete. And per the instructions, you want to do 14.1 pound or foot-pounds of torque on these. And I connect the adapters here. Alright, and there you go. Nate right now is installing the IAG fuel line system, and we are going to integrate Turbo Smart's fuel pressure regulator, and this is the 1200, and it's -6. So what Nate's gonna do is we're just gonna put on, he's gonna put on the fittings for now, because Nate is really good at reading like these kind of things. All right, this is the end of day 3.
Is it day 3?
It is day 3. I know. It's like day 6 already.
It's like day.
Yeah. So
Hit some snags.
yeah, and it's it's challenging mixing different vendor parts together that not everyone has done. So, for example, we didn't realize the ARE dry sump doesn't need the internal oil pump that's on the Subaru, and then
So we have to make a gutted out one that has no pump but can still hold all the oil
back
to make sure that the dry sump works functioning properly.
Yeah.
And we have to plug up some ports, make sure it's all nice and pretty, and then
going where it needs to go.
yeah. So we'll see where it takes us. We'll have some more information tomorrow. We got to call some vendors and get some information.
Some more technical information.
Yeah, some more help.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all ready and it's prettied up. We got the top end done, and tomorrow hopefully we'll get the front end and
the oil
thing fixed out and then
yeah.
timed and then
hopefully
should be plopped in tomorrow, but we'll see. And then fuel stuff. Woo!
Yes. Oh yeah. We're gonna wait to route those lines until like it's the engine's in the engine bay.
Because measure once, cut twice. I don't want to go buy more hose.
You mean measure twice, cut once?
Something like that. I'm good at the list actually. Yeah.
It's okay. It's been a long day.
Right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well.
All right. Peace out, Holmes.
Air horn. Insert here. Wah, 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 wah.